Stepwald, here today with another Game Boy Studio tutorial. This one is just a juice script. Gonna add a little bit of knockback, a little bit of camera shake. The groundwork I've done so far is just what I call my better player attack. Checks which direction he faces, and then says turn him to his right, and swing, and then turn him straight and swing. There's not a whole lot to this. I got an actor here, and add him to a collision group to get the on hit. And camera shake, just for 0.1 seconds, like a vertical. And actor push away from player. And then on the player script, oh, sorry, on the actor on hit player, it's a little longer. At least the way I ended up making it work. I'm not claiming to be original, but there was one point where I just said, you know what? Doesn't matter what anybody else is doing. Well, it wasn't me. It was my lady. She says, doesn't matter what anybody else is doing. You just do your thing. And I stopped watching tutorial videos altogether. And started creating. But I think that's one of the keys right there. To contribute to culture more than you take from it. To make that works pretty good. Yeah, that works pretty good too. Ooh, he's a little, oh. Yeah, I broke it good there. Not sure how, but that messed up my whole joint pad. First time I've had that bug. He does have those shapes. That's pretty nice. And I only have it set up for if actor 1, this guy, is above the player character. So you'll have to expand this script yourself, of course. If actor 1 is below player 1, and it's far enough away that you can still hit him, right? Yeah. Anyway. Oh, set your self-doubts aside and create. Create anything you can. Someone will value it. Hopefully a small crowd. And if they do, wonderful. Oh, one more that I almost forgot to put a camera shake in here. Let's make that one diagonal or ouch. I'm not sure what order these scripts would need to be. Oh, that's nice. Whoa! But maybe this isn't the right way to do this. I would love for you all to reach out and let me know what solutions you found that work better than these. Because, oh my, can you see that? I hope you can see that, right? Hope that's coming through in the frame rate. He's flipping back and forth. I can do this, I can swing my sword, but that's all there seems to be. Oh, we probably just have to add, like, script stop and script stop? I don't know. Alright. I'm not gonna let this video run for stopping by. Your comments are always greatly appreciated. This is one I'm going to need to get sorted out before I do my big project I got planned for everybody. Well, until next time, I'll see you real soon. Hello again, everyone. I just figured I'd come back since I think I have it fixed. I did it a little different. It's a little jerky now, but it seems to work. I'm sure if you were to walk into us, it'd go. This is all it is. I put it on, click the background on player hit. Group 3 is where his collision group is. Player is above, factor 1. Set relative position. Yeah. I'm going to add just a simple on-init timer script. Move. -1. Factor 1. Test this out. I think this should do it. Oh yeah, he pushes us back. If we set this one here to maybe even -2, might give us the feel we're looking for. Oh, yeah, that's nice. I like it. I think that's what I'm going to use. Anyway, thanks again for stopping by, everybody. Until next time, see you real soon.